It looks exciting.
What's it about?
I don't know. It's called the Dragon Prince.
Just the fact that they're doing it is great.
Dragon Prince. So I assume it's about a dragon and or a prince. Or both.
Or a prince that is a dragon.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Or a dragon who's a prince.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm excited for anything they do.
Yeah, me too. The writing's gonna be great. I don't know, sometime on Netflix.
This year?
Yeah, I think so.
Is this Avatar as in like blue people Avatar? Or
No, it's the kids show Avatar.
Oh, I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, really?
Oh, do we have a treat for you?
I think I'll pass.
Serious. It looks like a kids show, but
It's really good.
it is ridiculously good.
Why are we slowing?
I don't know.
I keep hearing that people talking about things and I'm looking around and trying to figure out what shopping centre that is.
It's Eastlands.
Ooh.
Weird.
There last Sunday.
Eastlands. The last
It was so funny. I was meeting my friend to go
7:15.
shopping last Sunday. Anyway, here, because she lives in
Oh.
Bantry Valley. So then she rings me and she's like, Sarah, I've gone to Chatty instead. I'm like, you muppet. She then had to like come back all the way back to Eastland. I was like, oh.
You muppet.
I'm still yet to go to Chatston. Or any of the big ones out here.
The Chatty's just like
It just
insane.
sounds intimidating.
Yeah, there's some ones that people talk about, they're like, no, we just don't go there.
Yeah.
It's just because it's got like everything.
Cool.
And they're like 400 stages of redevelopment. So yeah, they're just
I've only been a
I
couple
did
of
not
times,
Frosted Flakes.
despite it being so close.
But you're so much like on the street front.
Zibbity.
I haven't seen that
To be
movie.
fair, that's a really good
As far
point,
as I know.
like,
Maybe we should watch
I haven't
that.
seen it yet.
Shop
Yeah.
witchery.
Yeah, I do want to watch it.
Alright.
Like you've got everything from like
Easily.
dating,
Neat.
kitchens. Like,
Yeah.
Does he?
Ghibli.
Does he have a moustache?
New Ghibli.
I
Ghibli.
rarely need to
Ghibli.
drive somewhere for a shop.
Mm.
Target.
Wait, so Ghibli is apparently an Italian word.
Is it?
Yeah, apparently so.
I'd believe it.
But how would you say it in Italian?
Ghibli, I guess. Ghibli?
It's
Depends how
GH.
it's. Oh, fuck, I don't know.
G-H-G-B-L-I.
Oh, Italian. Why do you make me do this?
Friday this week.
Yeah, she
I don't
she
know.
was messaging me on
Margarita.
Thursday because she was still on like
Ghibli.
she had quite a.
Yeah, sure.
I
Baby.
don't know. I'm catching up with her tomorrow,
There you go.
but I feel like it's like
That's it. Thank you for
I
the
don't know what
host.
time it's like.
Yeah.
7:15. We need the BRB. I should have set it up.
I'll see if
That would
she's-
have saved us through the tunnel, but I didn't because I'm full.
Secret
No,
tunnel.
I think
Yeah,
that's
look at that.
alright. I think it's probably more just
Fine, fine.
work and just.
Italian
Frosted
noun,
Yeah, I think the
Djibouti.
Polish isn't great.
the hot desert wind of that country.
Djibouti.
What do you guys do
Bl-
tomorrow?
blow a hot new into the anime industry.
I don't know. So she
Although the
can do
Italian
whatever
word
she
is more
wants, just
accurately
pick her up and
translated-
then we're either gonna
transliterated
go
as-
for brunch or for a walk or something.
Ghibli.
But she did say that she had stuff on today.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, it does!
Frosted
And-
Flakes. I think
what
that's
is
my
it?
new
Zibbity.
avatar.
Zibbity. It's you.
It's
It's
not
so
that we're
good.
excluding you. I just get the feeling she probably
No,
needs
she probably
some
just
girl
wants some
chat.
time.
What?
Poop jokes.
Italian.
Probably not. I don't know.
No?
How do you say it?
I don't know why.
I know,
Oh,
it's
Frick is in
horror,
here.
right?
Fricka, how do we? What does Ghibli or Ghibli mean in Italian?
I hope she's good.
I'm sure she's fine. But you just, it's like, if you've been traveling a lot,
You
sometimes it just feels a
IRL
bit
screen.
like, rather flat.
Yeah.
I only do programming now,
Really
Fricka.
cool too,
That's what we do, the programming for the IRL streams.
End of August, I think.
This looks really familiar.
It's like somewhere in Brisbane.
Yeah. I think we've come out this way with Heidi and
Huh?
Tom when we went.
What was that, sorry?
We went out to
Oh, to Hillsville.
Hillsville.
Yeah.
You can like dial it back a bit.
I feel like Maruka. Don't you think?
Yeah, kinda, yeah.
Maruka-ish?
Ghibli. Like the anime.
Yeah, it feels like Maruka, no? A little bit. You know that Maruka
Oh,
road?
the American Mile.
Maybe it's because it's
Is
got
that-
like the.
Is it Spring Road or
Is it? This is Ipswich Road, no?
it's a
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I get the vibe.
Yeah, you get
It's
it?
just because it's cars, like old car lots.
Hey,
with, like,
nice.
Stuff,
Yeah.
I guess it's topical then.
and an overabundance of like filtrations.
Hmm.
I still need to get food.
Kayadzen Food Station.
I just remembered.
I feel like the pickings are getting slimmer as well
I know.
as
It's
we
fine.
go.
No, because if we've got to go through Healesville and stuff.
Yeah,
it's
we're gonna
too
get
much.
to-
Yeah, there's stuff in
Really cute. Oh,
Healesville.
there's a really good cafe there.
Yeah, that's
Very,
fine.
very
Healesville.
cute.
It's cute.
Oh god. I'm not hungry. It's just, but it's just if we
Such a
start.
sad voice though.
Yeah.
I'm not hungry.
I'm not hungry.
Do you get hangry?
No.
Yeah. Oh,
Tricky. Tricky.
screw you, bitch. I do.
Sassy.
Sassy.
Sassy. I feel like that's
The
hangry.
sass has started.
I feel like. What am I gonna say? I'll wonder why that I'm a bit tired and ratty.
Yeah.
And then
yeah.
oh, I feel so much better.
Yeah. Okay.
I have noticed that when I've gone without eating for like 8 hours.
I'll pay that.
Shakara, I don't feel so
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
I just need the Snickers then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very simple over your blood sugar.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Uh,
I'm just normally sassy.
The standard
Part of my
sass.
charm.
Yeah.
Apparently Ghibli isn't a word in Italian.
Apparently it is. According to
I don't know. Fricker's Italian.
Says, oh, it's based on an Arabic word, so
I feel like you'd know.
I don't know. Wikipedia tells me. Wait a second.
This has got a big hill in it, this walk, doesn't it?
Italian noun,
I think
Ghibli.
there is an
Based on the Libyan Arabic name for the hot desert winds of that country. Oh, of the Libyan Arabic. Okay, that's confusing.
waterfall thing. It's not as much elevation.
Yeah,
I don't
Mexican
mind.
eatery.
I don't-
Oh,
I honestly
it
don't. I'm
also
just thinking
refers
I
to an
will need
Italian
food
aircraft.
to pass out.
Caproni Ghibli.
I do have some sense.
Ghibli.
Sometimes.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, the proper name of a wind.
Of a wind. Proper name of a wind?
A
What does that
wind.
mean?
Like the formal name?
What are you talking about?
We're
of a
talking
wind.
about the word Ghibli in Italian.
Ghibli.
Yeah,
So,
apparently.
like the anime.
Oh, like Studio Ghibli.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it means it's an Italian
Apparently
word.
it's named after an Italian word.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. It means the hot desert wind.
Oh.
Did I know that?
Yes.
Hmm.
Every day's a school day.
Yes.
I
It's a good one.
haven't heard that one.
Yeah, neither have I.
Oh, that's nice.
I like that.
Anyone? Music requests?
Yeah, can anything better than what's been playing?
So I guess it's like.
Old man.
Feels bad.
Yeah.
Old.
Do you want me to take it
Anyone
up?
got, anyone got some burn cream?
Yeah.
That was anything but a hot desert wind.
I don't know.
So I guess it's like El Nido kind of thing. You know how El Nido is a
El
It's
Nido?
good. I tell you
Nido
what I
and
like. The
El
ones
Nino
that you
is
gave
like
me this week.
ter-
What were they?
terms for like
Strickland Band.
winds. Oh no, weather
I like
conditions and
those.
stuff.
That was fun.
Of like heat or cold.
Yeah.
So it's specifically wind that comes over Libya.
Oh, okay.
It's like
Oh
fun.
my god, the defamation
Wind.
of Strickland
Oh,
Banks. I have
comes
not
from the
listened to
north.
that album
Huh.
before.
I did not
Interesting.
realize these.
Plan B.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
Oh my god, I feel like we should listen to this.
If Italy had mahjong, I feel like these would be in there.
Yeah. How interesting. What
Maybe like a
about
four winds.
what about the
The east
and
and the west, yeah.
Yeah. Wait, what
I know.
countries are from the east and the
This
west?
album, when it came out, I just
From
listened to it
Italy.
on repeat. It's absolutely amazing.
Croatia,
Croatia.
Albania,
Winds.
and I guess eventually
Sorry.
Spain.
I looked at
Spanish
Strickland when
winds.
this came up.
But I guess Libya is on the other side of the river, so
Is it?
so
You
is
will
Spain.
not, you'll be amazed at the diversity on
Wait.
this one album.
Isn't it?
But it tells the
Does it-
story.
wait, what
it's all about
direction
how
is-
he gets too drunk. and
What
then
direction
he
is
goes to
Libya?
jail
South,
for-
I think.
So those are southern winds. Oh, okay.
Southern and the northern wind. Northern.
Okay.
But it's
The
amazing.
fawn.
Fawn.
Fawn?
Fawn. Fauna.
Fauna?
Fauna.
Das Faunen.
Was it der Faunen?
Sorry, Germans. It's probably not a word.
The sad thing
Fauna?
is I can probably like know all the words to every single
Sea
list.
winds. The Wakanda winds.
The Wakanda wind.
Sea.
They're just sea winds.
Oh, fawn. Fern. A hot southerly wind from the northern slopes of the Alps. Wait, what?
A hot southerly wind
From the Alps.
from the northern slopes.
Fern
Fern.
would be. Oh,
Forn.
interesting. I didn't realize that winds had names.
No.
Yeah, that is a thing.
Yeah,
What
so we're
about the
just
east
talking about-
wind?
We're just talking about that. Nino?
In Mahjong.
El Nino.
They're the only ones that I knew.
Oh yeah, so El Nino is a warm phase of the El Nino Southern Oscillation and is associated with a band of warm ocean water that develops in the central and central equatorial Pacific. So I guess, you know.
We're in El Nino right now, aren't we?
I would think so.
We've been in El Nino for like 2 years.
Seriously.
Yeah. I think they go through phases.
Yeah, we do. Oh.
I like it.
Wait, does that make sense? What's
I
dust?
was gonna say let's wait till
What's
those stay
dust?
too long and you'll be like,
What's
is
this
this the
dust?
same album?
Is that
It's
one of my favourite songs
Jesus,
ever.
Nein.
Was das ist?
Wie sollen Sie wissen, was
I've
Das
got a
ist-
friend who's like, looks a bit like him.
what is it?
How's your German?
Like,
Of
what is it?
Like, go ahead.
Is it nine? I don't know what nen umlaut is. Nine umlaut? No umlaut. Wie sollen? I don't know. What is it? Oh, okay.
My German's awful.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it's gonna give me
Good.
fun. Yeah.
Oh,
He did, yeah, kind of. What's
need a nap.
the song that he did?
Afternoon nap.
Nappy.
Tell you those things like that.
How would we know what German is? Kids knows German.
Nein.
Ein
Das
bisschen.
ist gut.
Ein
Ist nichts
bisschen.
gut. Entschuldigung.
Sumimasen.
私はバカです。
Oh, how would you know what that is?
Oh.
Actually, yeah, I could do that. If I held my head in the right way, I could totally have a nap behind these
Oh,
sunglasses.
what das ist? I see what that is. I get it.
Oh no! You have to listen to it in order. Has to be in order. No, it's in order. What is your? Oh, is this your phone?
Man, traffic.
Yeah.
Even out here.
Yeah. That's Melbourne for you.
That is Melbourne.
There's coals there, I guess.
Get that box off the banana.
I wonder if you're sleeping.
What? Maybe I am.
You're closing your eyes now.
How do you know?
I can see it.
Maybe I need to like. I need those,
The
yeah.
Polaroid one.
No, just the ones with eyes painted on them.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
We know what the writing's on the wall. Oh dear Lord.
Where are your backup dancers? Keep going.
You do like the dance, synchronized dance moves.
Yeah. By the time we get there, we'll be able to get a dance out.
Yep.
That's hard. What are you
What?
doing? It's hard to do with one hand.
Yeah, I can imagine. Yes, we are hiking.
Yeah.
Yep. I guess we just had breakfast, but we do need to stop for food.
Walkers that live out here, or?
Maybe everyone's going for a hike in that exact same place as us.
Yeah, maybe actually. Oh, it's a nice weekend.
Ah, it is, yeah. I feel like that's a common sentiment.
Lots of short wearers today.
Yep, yep.
You're all
They're all we
bonkers.
heading to.
Shorts.
I mean, Callum is bonkers. Oh no, Hayden is as well.
Hayden's also wearing.
They see the sun, they're like, it's short today.
Mm. The earth is shaking. Yeah, Laura Lanthalosa. I don't know what to do with an
I've kind
earthquake.
of done this in the month.
That's not good.
I figure it'll be okay. I've heard you meant to go to the bathroom.
What? I
Like,
don't know. I heard a lot of stuff.
like the
You know
bathroom
what?
foundations are really solid.
You know what?
So
If we
you go
went,
and sit in the frame of a bathroom.
if we went to the Questacon, you would have known what to do in there.
I heard that you need to eat your favorite things first off your plate in case there's an earthquake and the plate falls on the floor.
Can you mention that to Lisa when we see her again? She'll be like, how do you know that?
What? How does she not know that?
It's from her dad.
Oh, I thought
That's how I know it.
it's Nadia's dad.
No, it's Lisa's.
Are you sure it's not Nadia's as well?
No.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'll ask her.
It's always been Lisa's dad.
The people who like.
Hey,
advertise
Reef James,
on
thanks for the
street
sub.
Traffic lights, like,
Whoa,
with their
6
mobile
months,
number,
half a
everything.
year.
Ooh.
Like, got dirty windows, call this number. There's a guy like on the post there. There's a big.
They're like
sign.
2/3 to a baby.
I'm feeling happy now.
Bum.
Know when I'm drunk. Cause I'm always staying too long.
Wait. No, I don't have enough fingers for this.
Someone's trying to
6
sell.
month baby.
Someone's trying to sell these bottles.
Two for $10.
Someone said.
Will you stop for
Some chains.
Are they pine cones?
No, these are chains.
Oh man, yeah, I'd totally.
That's a shame.
Just filling them with good quality whiskey.
It's a little bit of a difference in the middle of a strong.
I'll fill them with tea.
Yeah, that'd be bad.
That's the secret. If you pinch someone's whiskey, you replace it with brand tea.
Ah, Severs.
Otherwise, you'll dilute it and make it lighter.
Seb.
Mm.
That's so rude.
Is it there?
Who have you done that to?
No one.
Your parents?
That's what I was thinking about.
Is it your parents?
No, my parents just gave me booze.
Yeah, they
I
did.
didn't have
didn't
to steal it from
Yeah,
them.
they did. Look how well you turned out.
Yeah. Again, either really good parenting or really bad parenting. It's kind of hard to tell which. Oh, if I kind of dance like this, you scratch my head. That's nice. Oh, around the back. Around the back. Just call me Ivan.
Ivan.
So weird. That's like that's there for development.
No, you're not allowed to nap.
No way.
I don't want to nap.
Do it. I'm already napping. It's done. You just told me the whole story. What the hell?
Worth it.
Is there a theme to the whole album?
Yeah, it's basically he just got disgusted, ended up with a girl, and then she cries rape, and he goes to jail, and it's about the rest of the thing is all about his like journalism.
Is that what happened to him?
No, it's a fictional character.
That's better.
I just.
This
Yeah.
is a great song.
Wait, who is this?
John Legend.
From
You love Brum. Wait, Brum, right?
no.
Did you know Brum? Sarah? Do you know Brum?
From
Yeah.
From the car.
Oh, you do know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did
Yeah.
not know Brum.
From is a car.
Yeah,
It's a kids' TV program.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he goes for adventures in the city,
Yeah,
but he's
he
always
goes-
got to be home by nightfall.
Something like that.
To put
It's
himself
a
back
long
in his
time
little
since I watched
garage.
Brum.
Because he was like, you don't know Brum? I'll show you Brum. And I was like, what am I watching?
We YouTubed Brum.
YouTube Brum, okay? As you do.
Watch some
I've
Brum.
got a Dutch friend called Bram. I was like, how do you guys know
I don't know your Dutch friend called Brum.
Wait,
Unless your Dutch friend is a car.
is he a little
He
car?
doesn't like cars.
Yeah.
Wait, do you know the show?
Yeah.
You might like
I never
that.
watched the show.
You might like that car
I
then.
miss Brum.
Little mini car.
Yeah.
He's green.
No, he's yellow.
It's yellow.
He's definitely yellow.
Maybe there
And
was
red,
a.
isn't he?
Maybe
I
there
remember
was
red,
a like yeah one where he
Yellow and
changes
red.
color.
Brum.
He like gets into a zany situation and
He's
gets coated in
yellow.
paint or something.
He's definitely yellow, just an FY. He's yellow and red. I'm so good at this.
You want to see Brum?
Yeah, that's him.
Yeah.
Wait, what does he do? Just
He just drives around. He's got little like
Gets
eyes,
in
the
the-
headlights.
He helps out the
Situ-
community.
Oh, that's
he-
right.
he
Yeah.
helps out the
He solves
community.
problems.
Does he?
Yeah. Brum's your man or woman or
Yeah, like
car.
I'll person needs to go to the doctor appointment. He'll pick them up.
What?
That's
He can
all.
fit a person in himself?
Or like if someone's robbing a bank, he like nudges them into the pond.
This is obviously a very common occurrence.
And
I wouldn't. No one ever suspects the car. Brum.
He's just got a mind of his own.
So wait, why does
He's got a
someone,
strong personality.
why does someone own Brum? Like he's a mechanic, right? And he owns a tiny car.
Oh.
Oh,
He
okay.
comes to life.
Okay. It makes perfect sense.
Yeah, for sure. Really don't make sense when I watch these things. That's not on this album. No, it's the like the visual. Ah. Do we have another?
Yum, yum, yum.
Up.
Num 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 num. Num 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 num. Getting out to the country now.
Can eat a lot of peaches.
We already did that one.
All the time.
My favourite album of all time.
Oh, tough.
Oh my god, that's really tough.
Yeah, no, the
I feel like you need at least several weeks of preparation.
No, to be fair, this is one of my probably one of my favourites. Like, this is
Mm.
actually genuinely a really, really good album.
Who is it, sir?
Plan B.
Right.
The rest of his music's crap, but this album. Yeah. It's rare you get an album where you like every song.
Yeah.
That's always the challenge.
Yeah.
Especially in the way we can see music now is so much driven around albums.
Yeah.
Right, so many killer stuff in it.
Yeah. I could say any Adele album, but that's
Mm.
just because I'm absolutely obsessed with Adele.
Mm.
Fair point. What's yours, Callum?
Actually, I really don't know. Like,
I think mine would probably be maybe Discovery, Daft Punk.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one.
Fucking good album. Every song.
Fucking Alive live album.
Oh yeah, Alive.
I could listen to that
2007.
over and
Yeah,
over
yeah,
and over
yeah.
again and just never
Right?
get sick
Yeah.
I was at
of
a
it.
bar and they were playing the whole album.
Oh,
Yeah.
so good. It's
Nice
so.
choice. And the bartender was like, what are you talking about? I'm like, don't worry, it's fine. Just don't change the music.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just don't touch anything.
Because there's so much good featured artists on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zappa.
Should play that album next. It's such a good album.
Yeah. How long is the hike gonna be?
2.5 hours, I think it says.
Oh,
2
yeah.
hours or something.
Sweet.
Probably the shorter.
That
It's
2
like
hours is.
6K? No?
I think there's a 5K one this.
How long is it?
We can do the longer one. Bullshit, man. Bullshit.
Bullshit.
Bullshit. And then, like, 5K will take, like an hour.
Up it?
But we'll have driven an hour and a half to do more than an hour.
That's fair.
Fair point? Right. That's my point of view. Alright. If everyone else wants to do the 5K,
Oh, yeah,
of course
yeah,
you can.
I don't know. I wasn't sure, like,
my
I wasn't sure, like, how many hikes there were around the area.
Yeah.
But the one that I saw was like 6. Like, I saw my phone, I was like, 6K, okay. But I wasn't sure if that was just like one.
I think
The
that's
internet's
Way
kind of
or-
confusing with like,
Yeah, with hikes, right?
yeah,
well,
we're
that's
not
really, there's 2 you can do it against like 10.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
so it's not really clear how you join them.
I just saw views and waterfalls.
And there was like, and then one of the descriptions about one of the hikes in the area was saying that like, they may have replaned the path, so you may not be able to do it anymore.
Oh, okay.
Like they've given it back to the bush.
Very good.
What's that YouTube video?
Yeah.
Like you actually did. Oh, we'll have to get this anyway. Stop.
Is this here? It's literally good down there. Yeah, one of the guys that works commutes from here.
Why do you say they commute from here?
No, one of the guys that works commutes from here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but there is a
That
train.
It's a train to be, right?
Oh yeah.
Train, and there's an
that's
express
true.
train.
Oh yeah. Alright, that'll be alright then.
That's bad, because I commuted from Ferntree Gully for 2 weeks.
Where's Ferntree going? Ferntree.
Past Ringwood,
Okay.
Oh, okay.
out towards
Past
Belgrade.
Ringwood. Wow. Damn. I think Glitterbug's also a good album.
What's Glitterbug? Is that Beyonce?
No, Wombats.
Wombats.
Oh, the problem with the Wombats is that every song sounds the same.
It's true.
and I love them.
See, this is
but
what
every
this is
song
what-
sounds the same.
That's what I was talking about with churches.
Yes.
Churches sounds very similar.
Oh,
like
Yes.
Hmm.
But I
But
do
it's-
like the
but
I
it's
like the
all
Wombats and I
good.
like the churches.
Yeah.
But they do sound the same.
But I think Glitterbug was less so though.
What was that?
Do you mean Javertus?
Chiverches.
Chiverches.
Chiverches. That's another good one.
Take off your fancy jacket.
Oh yes, yes. Take off your pants and jacket's a great
Yeah.
one. So fucking good.
Blink-182 live album
Yeah.
as well.
I like their live album.
Who? Sorry.
Blink-182.
Yeah, that's take off
That
your
was
pants and
actually
jacket,
the.
isn't it? Yeah,
No,
isn't
that's.
it?
Was it Alien?
It's
No,
something
that's Take Off
else.
Your Pants and Jacket.
Is it? Oh, maybe it is.
Take Off Your Pants and Jacket was that live album.
I didn't realize it had a name. That was the only Blink album I had, and I feel like it was the best one.
It was the
Yeah,
best one
that was
because you
the
got all the good songs
Yeah.
and all the
Then
little
you get
quips.
dancer in the middle.
Yeah, the bands.
Yeah.
The bands are so good. I wonder if they listen to that and be like, oh my god.
Oh,
we're
definitely.
disgusting.
Definitely.
Because they've got like, you know, wife and kids and stuff now.
I'm gonna put Fleetwood Mac Rumours out there.
Yes.
That is a
good, yes.
great album.
I don't know any of the songs. I
You
feel
do,
like
you
You
I.
don't know? Oh, you
I feel like I
would.
know them, but I
You
don't
so would know.
know what they are.
Landslide.
Like you know, Go Your Own Way. And
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, like
stuff.
Frank Ocean's Lost would be up there for me. Orange, yeah, so the Orange album.
Days, did you see Blink at Big Day Out? Wow.
Jealous.
Yeah, I know, right? Hey. Yeah, I
what
think.
one?
Man, that would have been.
Probably. I think my sister went to that one. No, she may have went to. No, maybe she may have gone to that one actually. My sister.
2000.
Yeah. If it was at the end of the year, because then she would be 18.
Wake up. Ba-la-la-la, makeup.
We don't want to.
Na-na-na.
You wanted to.
Is that System of a Down?
Yeah, System of a Down.
Just YouTube. Alright then.
Is there a video recording of Take Off Your Pants and Jacket?
I don't know, but if there is, I want to watch it. Yeah,
Yeah.
surely they must have made a DVD with the album.
Yeah.
Or a video.
'Cause that'd be, yeah.
A VHS.
Yeah, VHS. Another really good album is This It? The Strokes. That's a really good album. The Strokes. It's a good full album.
Pleasant countryside.
Pretty much all of the Yeah's discography.
Pretty much.
Yes.
And there's a Pax Melbourne album my favorite the last like 3 years.
What, sorry?
And Anderson Pax Melbourne.
Oh, yeah, because you're...
Love it. Oh yeah. What's good?
Oh, cracky. Why are you sleepy? You had a full night's sleep.
Drugs.
Pat me. Yeah, it's drug sippers.
What?
Taking anti-nausea medication.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's right. You can't drive anymore.
Pardon?
Oh,
So I want
yeah.
some
Is it
roadside
fish?
food.
Hey, roadside food. Pink ladies.
To be fair, it's probably a beetroot.
Yeah, it's apples.
It's fresh.
It is nice out here.
One of my happy places.
They're an easy way to get to work.
Yeah, but not just because there's wine. There's like pretty big. No, I've got more than enough wine in my house, like seriously. Went to a winery when I was in the Grampians and bought another 4 bottles. I was like,
Oh, you went to the
freaking
Grampians?
hell. Last weekend.
Oh, yeah?
2 weekends ago.
How
was it?
It was beautiful.
Yeah?
It was really, really good fun.
Ooh.
We had a big house and yeah, it was cool. There was
Nice.
kangaroos in the paddock and an emu. And
What?
yeah, it's pretty fun.
Coldstream Brewery, do you want that?
Yes?
Do you want to go to the brewery?
The one up here on the
Bit
top.
early even for me, and that's
Uh,
saying something.
The beers are okay.
Are they? I haven't been there.
You would have had their stuff though.
Have I?
The cold stream
It's
cider
cold.
is pretty
Oh, it is
Stream.
cold.
Brewery.
Uh,
Oh, there you go.
good. Oh, that'd be fantastic.
Oh,
all of the options, all of the wine options.
yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
there's
days. I had a 6 a.m. flight this morning.
There's a blueberry wine place around here.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
not that good.
It's not,
Aw.
is it?
No.
I didn't love it. Except their sausage rolls are really good.
The blueberry wine's not good, but the cider that they do is good, and they
Yeah.
give you cider in champagne glasses.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah. Remember that?
It's near the sanctuary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We went, but yeah, we had their sausage rolls there. They're really yummy. So that's sausage rolls, maybe.
No.
You really got to think about sausage rolls today.
We all
Just
do.
saying.
It's just a good day for a sausage
Yeah.
roll.
Good day for a sausage roll.
It's a long way. Hey, who wants to buy a bus?
Me. We bought a
We
bus.
can name it Priscilla
Yes. It's
and
pink
travel
already,
across
so-
the desert.
Yeah.
Yeah, half of it's done. We bought a bus. Wait, we bought a zoo.
Yeah,
That's,
we bought a bus. Yes, let's do it.
I feel like that's a good name for a YouTube series.
We bought a bus.
We bought a bus.
Yeah, it would be.
But just like statements. We rode a bike. We walked a bit. And a statement. Hey Morty, how you
We
doing?
went down to the shops.
Something I like that. She's going.
Thank you. They're the last ones that I haven't broken shades, and I don't know where my backups are.
What are we?
Mordowin. And used to.
Do Amazon delivery driver?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
I hope you're having a good weekend, Morty. Wait, a good Friday, I guess.
That'd be fine. everywhere.
It's Good Friday.
It is Good Friday.
Make sure you eat. Is it fish?
We had fish yesterday.
Fish?
I think it was the second last fish that Mum and Dad brought back from their trip.
Really?
Yep, they're
Was- oh, it's
almost
frozen?
done. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Was
Yeah.
it delicious?
Oh yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't know. It was kind of fishy for me, but I think they like that
Do you
flavor,
also have my
so.
tip
Do
cup?
they?
I hate it.
No, but
I know you've got my
Lake
brolly,
Mountain.
but I swear I left my
Horses,
keep cup
horses,
in this
horses.
car as well.
Horses for courses.
You can look. I'm sure it's smell it.
Do,
I know,
Smell it.
that would have been there for a lot of weeks. Like, what the fuck did I do?
Yeah.
It's my cup, it's not a cup.
It might be like right underneath this seat, but I can't feel it.
I got warmer pastures.
I've never been to the snow in like this area.
Pretty close. Didn't Kevy go?
Yeah. He took like Monday off.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think that's what you
Maybe
do.
it's a full weekend and
Oh, you take Friday off as well?
You should show people the white vineyard.
Right.
Vineyard.
Oh, there's Vin's there.
There's vineyards there.
Wow, I'm gonna flip the camera and
No
show you guys the
vins.
vins.
No Vin's though.
Look at them vins. There's nothing on them. It's
Yeah.
just a bare field.
There's some a bit of
Winter vineyard.
yeah.
Winter vins.
Oh, so the grapes not growing.
I thought they were winter grapes, so maybe they just need cold weather.
Or like, I mean,
You can in Germany and stuff, and then they create like ice. Like they literally pick the grapes for this, like ice.
Oh yeah, isn't it what you use for like
So
really
it's a
sweet
special
dessert
time.
wines and
Yeah,
stuff?
There is, that is a thing, but
Hey,
it
sheep.
just doesn't get cold enough.
but yeah, I would have
I know,
thought
it's
that
not
this
windy, I don't
weather
think.
would be like
Vines,
great
sorry.
weather over
Grapevines.
Scandinavia. Do you know what I mean?
Not if you think
I
about
heard
like
it on the
France and the
grapevine.
Mediterranean. It's actually
Pretty hot.
similar climate.
Yeah, okay. Someone told me that in the US
You guys
they
get
call
that?
a U-turn slap a bitch.
What?
Yeah. I was like, it's
That
very
seems
aggressive.
so rude.
I know.
Absolutely unnecessary.
I know. I was like, that's very aggressive.
I mean, I never heard that when I was in the States. But
Yeah.
it's localized.
Maybe.
Was it a week? Or it was only 3 days?
I'm sure I would be a right success at that.
I think I very accidentally talk and then be like, oh sorry, wait.
I talk to myself a lot. Though,
And just
so
be
like-
downhill from there. Go like you mutter to yourself under your breath, are you allowed to do that?
Yeah, probably not. You might need to like put duct tape on your face or something.
Ugh. Sure. Actually, yeah, it's probably that way around.
You just like,
I never noticed it before. But yeah, you're just like you're sitting there and you're just exhaling and it's just making a noise. You're like,
cheese and yogurt.
oh, let's go there.
Why did we go past?
Yeah.
We needed food, didn't we?
Yeah. But I like that.
I agree. They do a really,
She
really good
notices.
Chardonnay. Yeah.
That's good to know because none of the Yarra wines I've had I've really enjoyed.
Oh, Bridge is really good. The Chardonnay.
Good days, yeah.
The Pinot Noir. Actually, I had.
Oh.
Was it with you? Was it with
car.
you? No, I was with Tim and Helen, and got a blend from there last time I was here, and we had it last night at my friend's birthday, and it was like, oh my god, this is so good. But yeah, they do
Did it
really
make you
good
extra
wine.
sad you dropped the bottle of it?
Huh?
Did it make you extra sad you dropped the bottle?
No, because that wasn't from there.
Okay, right.
I just dropped a bottle of Pinot Noir.
Yeah, that's a thin bike line. Probably
I know,
be alright.
it was not ideal. It was a $26 bottle of wine. I was a bit pissed.
Bicycle lane.
Oh, the one that you dropped.
Yes.
Oh.
But it was 2 for $40, so I only technically lost $20 worth of wine, but still.
Still, rip wine.
And then I had a Chardonnay with me as well, and the bloody birthday boy doesn't even like Chardonnay. I was like, fuck.
Oh, that's why you drank it.
I didn't actually drink that. I just drank their other wine.
Sarah's still got that rosé.
Yeah. I've got. There was 2 more. So when Freddie and Hayden and I were here, we went to, what were they called? Squidgy Lane, and what was the other one? Pen.
Hey, Segway Victoria.
There was
Oh,
Squidgy
what?
Lane and something other.
Why are they all the way up here?
Really, really good wines.
Oh, yeah, that place looks fancy.
Yeah. You missed out.
These places look so
That's
fancy.
when you had your SCF.
So many views.
My weekend
It's
is
like
like
pretty much the crop that's here.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
wine, all the time.
Both sides, wine.
Wine.
Not really expecting. Not really should.
Wine.
No, kids doesn't drink.
What? Kids?
You don't drink much.
Not much, no.
Kids likes tequila.
But you also don't, because you don't like driving either.
Oh, wombat. Oh, wombat.
It's not
There's a
bad.
dead wombat.
Aww.
So dense.
Decent size.
Yeah. What did you say, sorry?
So you don't drink much, but you also don't drive much. You like to drive much.
I don't mind driving. I don't mind it.
Hey, cow.
Hey, cow.
I won.
Good. Yeah, let's say the people.
Huh?
We have to hang out.
Is Hey Cow an actual thing that people play? You guys
Yeah.
play Hey Cow?
In Queensland at least.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, no, you say, hey,
Oh.
cow, and however many cows turn around, they're your cows, and whoever has more wins. What did you
We're
think?
trying to explain this to Sarah pretty and named.
Like, this is the shittest
I think it's just a Queensland thing. eh?
Yeah, but when you're in a car with
Literally
nothing
the
else,
shittest.
what else are you gonna do?
Well-
And there's always cows.
The thing is, the only place I've heard of it is from Justin. That was the first time I've ever heard of Hey Cow.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I thought it was a Justin thing.
No, it's like a everyone
the
thing.
sheep
Run out of places to stop.
The sheep's in the
We're
vineyard.
going to Hills
Just
now.
doesn't have
Alright, cool. Alright, cool, thanks. I wasn't getting edgy at all.
Hey, just to
What
follow
about
Jacob in the
Maltesers
woods.
back then,
I
guys?
was going to ask.
Was. I had to eat 3 so they would fit in the smaller.
Nose boop?
Where are they from?
There's
They were
nose
from that
boop.
day we went up to
Hair
the
boop.
Yarra.
I am
and we
off
ended
now.
up coming
Hedge
that
and
time,
Maze. Oh, we
so
were just
then
like Hedge and Maze last time. We
Why don't we
didn't
go to Hedge
And we
and
did a
Maze?
big
I
food
don't
shop,
know.
but Freddie and I were slightly pissed by
It's
this
a hike,
point.
right?
Oh,
So
okay,
but there was
Yeah.
just a load of shit went in the trolley.
Freddie and drunk chocolate go together.
Yeah.
I don't even think each other says it.
That was me.
Oh,
Oh,
really?
me and Maltesers
What?
though. But we wouldn't
Ah,
eat
I like that idea, Morwen.
And find the first. Oh, okay.
Wait, why does that count as
I
A?
don't know.
Because it sounds like A.
Because you have an A in it.
It's like Oklahoma.
Oh. What?
Oklahoma.
You know your Friday afternoon looks like?
Oh, what, sorry?
Your Friday afternoon.
This Friday, coming Friday afternoon.
Ah.
I usually don't
I
agree
feel like
to
that's
anything
really
after
easy
4
then.
o'clock on a
Alright.
Friday.
No,
Arb.
is it this weekend we're going away?
Yeah.
Or wait for accessories.
No, I've got
Your
nothing
turn.
after 2 o'clock.
B. Bin.
And I generally keep it that way on Friday
see,
afternoon. So if
yeah,
we need
clouds.
to, we can bust a groove early.
It's cheap, it'll
Yeah,
work.
so I think I should check on that.
And then like in terms of doing a shop, we might as well just do it when we
Driveway?
get like down to Torquay.
Yeah.
Driveway.
Yeah.
Is this if Freddie's
Yeah.
going to be back on Friday? Should we hear it? Not flight for the afternoon.
I love
You want
that.
sorry, Steve?
That's good, like,
What?
as long as Freddie doesn't have to fly back Friday afternoon.
Yeah, I literally don't know, but
But that's fine.
yeah. All being well, I have lunch until 2, and then I'm all
Sleep time. Z.
Push some Z's.
Z.
I'll bring some wine.
We're in Hillsville. I recognize this place.
We are
I
in
need to get rid of some of
Hillsville.
wine in the house, so I will definitely bring wine. I don't.
Stop at the gym place.
I literally don't mind. I'm
There's a brewery there too.
like I don't
Yeah.
need proper food. I just need
Gin.
like
The gin.
What?
Yeah. Just go to the gin.
gin. No, I don't just need gin. I've got to drive later.
Oh.
Oh, you have a little while to recover.
I know.
Kids is really